Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And of course, the question is from viewers, and it is, so what's next for Windows 11 for the next 6 months? We're not going to go yet to 2025. There's too much unknowns, but there's a little more things we know about what's next until the end of the year. So we, of course, know that moments are a thing of the past. I always get, every time I talk about them, people saying, what are moments? I don't understand what you're talking about. Moments is what was the small updates that Microsoft would push every 3 months, 4 months, every like 2-3 times a year since Windows 11 started. They would add new features in what were called moments. Then new direction, new people and Microsoft Windows team, and of course change of ideas. Now, big update once a year, which is a joke because in reality, if you've noticed, you've got little things here and there that appear that weren't there before, and they add this thing here, they add this thing there. It's really a big joke, and it's pretty much a lie that, oh, we're not, we're just going to get one big update a year. We get small little things here and there that are pushed to us regularly. So it's not just one big update a year. It's a ton of little things, and then we get an update. What's going to happen within the next 6 months, 5 months left for pretty much 6 months, till the end of the year, basically. So there's 2 Windows now. There's Windows for ARM that uses the Snapdragon X series that have AI stuff. That's one branch that's already started. They're already on 24H2. They're already moving on to something else. For all of us, the majority of us that have an Intel, an AMD machine, a standard x64 machine, what's going to happen is that we will be getting 24H2 at some point. Now, I got it here because I forced it. And that's the big update for this year. It's really the 24H2, which will bring a certain number of new features. It's not mind-boggling. It's not, when they announced 24H2 as this big major update, we were like, oh, wow, there's going to be a lot of stuff in there. We heard AI, we heard all of that. To learn that finally, those of us on x64 are just going to get a big update, which will bring a host of little changes and new features, but we're not getting the mind-boggling big updates and recall and all of that, which, we kind of, the way it was done, we kind of almost thought that we were getting all of that too. It ends up, no, there's 2 separate things, and it's complicated. And so what I expect is we'll get 24H2 in September, October. What's going to be in there? Nothing much. A few little things, a few little changes here, there. A Wi-Fi 7 because it's going to be faster, and so on. But don't expect major changes to your system. It's not going to be that big mind-boggling update that at first, at the beginning of the year, we thought we would be getting. This is where, Microsoft doesn't communicate very well what's going to happen. So that's what we know until the end of the year. We'll have 24H2 sometime in September, October. It should be quiet for the rest of the year. Next year, 2025, they're probably going to be 25H2. We're pretty sure of that. What will it bring? What will it change? And also, where is that separation going to happen? What is the popularity of the new machines on the ARM processor versus x64 versus the good old Intel AMD that we've all been using for a long time? This is going to be 2025 to see what's happening there. But we pretty much know that 25H2 is a thing already. So that's going to be the yearly update next year, I guess. What else? What surprise? There's a lot of unknowns in here. And a Windows 12, if you look at this video right now, I'd say that 2025 is not Windows 12 year also. I don't think next year is going to be anything to Windows 12. if there is maybe 2026 later on. I think with two branches of Windows 11 now, one with AI and one the standard x64 branch, I think we're going to stay in Windows 11. And Windows 11 is going to pick up a lot of users. One, because we'll be pounded with Windows 10 end of support messages that will push people buying new PCs or upgrade if they can. Most of the people will be buying new PCs. What we're going to end up is the end of next year, we'll end up with, 50+% market share of Windows 11 for sure. And not even a talk of Windows 12 probably. So we'll see. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.